This is my first time, so.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time.
Welcome to Shit Happens.
Welcome to Shit Just Got Real.
Oh. Yeah.
And today we have one studio.
Yeah.
Chinmay. yeah. So we have Chinmay, Aniket, and Chaitanya. So you guys are like professionally artists or?
No. We are very non-professional artists.
We literally not a artist.
Why would you say so?
Because
We are an artist.
no. Yeah.
We are
What the fuck, dude?
We are an artist.
Yeah.
I don't know. Well, we are artists now, but like when we started this thing, we were not an artist because we both of us we were doing our architecture. He was doing his CS and this commerce thing. So art or creating canvas, selling and digital art was not even in the picture, obviously. Because we did not think of it because we were so busy doing our own shit for the last 4-5 years. And there was no chance to even think यार ये करना है. It was just during lockdown, just before like a month before lockdown. Naniket had the idea कि bro अपने को ये आता है, why don't we do this?
Yeah.
चलो करते हैं. And
yeah.
unfortunately the lockdown happened and we got a shitload of time कि we stay like literally.
We probably started like
बाजू में.
we discussed the idea and probably started the next day only.
Yeah. I think I saw. I think it was around pandemic or before.
It was
pandemic.
February 2020.
Just like a month before pandemic.
So when was the first time you guys did the
20
exhibition?
It was, I guess.
Exhibition was
the
last
backyard wala.
20
A year after that.
2021 Feb.
Okay.
Yeah.
Literally year after first
2022
Feb.
2021
Yeah. Dude, this is like
Yeah.
so there's this thing which really interests me. Ki like right now you said ki like you're not an artist yet.
Yeah.
So I would want to know like very specifically, or it might be a very subjective thought with whomsoever relates it to. So for you, what does an art means?
Okay.
Right?
I could see that question coming.
Yeah, I mean
knew
because
it will come so on.
because I feel ki that is like so much subjective and everyone has their own definition of like
Totally.
what
Yeah.
art means to them.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, I think ki I still believe ki even I'm an artist.
Yeah.
Right? So as soon as like you guys said ki no we are not an artist, so I was like ki obviously like you are the
Yeah.
artist, right?
Okay.
So I would want to know ki like what is the whole perspective that you put when it comes to an art.
So like I personally feel that artists, like anybody could be an artist as far as art is concerned, because art does not have a very it has a very ambiguous definition. So any form of expression by any individual, if it is expressed in a pure form, could be art. It could be in any format. It could be like right from painting on a canvas to performing arts to programming a good code and resulting in a very like wonderful experience for the user. Anything could be like defined as an artwork. The way you laid out your business plan.
Yeah, exactly.
Laying out a strategy, making a systemic process work. The beauty of expressing like the moment you as a individual are shown or are expressed through your work, it becomes an art piece. So but the way he told you is that he's trying to tell you that professionally we could not be called artists. Like
Yeah,
the
that's what
professional side means
we are not
basically
we are not
the bread and butter part
Yeah.
of it.
Yeah.
Got
We
it.
don't
No,
have
you
a degree in
don't-
fine arts.
Yeah,
Basically, we
professionally
don't have a
trained
degree in
to do
arts.
I
That's what I'm
don't
saying, right? Like for the
think
last
ki, like,
5 years, no, I'll tell you why.
educational-wise,
Because last 5 years, 2015 we started our college. उसके पहले 2 साल we were doing that IIT JEE all that crap. So we used to paint in school. So we started painting in school and everything.
Yeah.
So during that time यार तब किया था उसके obviously if you know all कि 11 once you get into that IIT JEE preparation,
Yeah.
life is fucked.
It's a
basically.
trap. Yeah.
You can't even you don't even meet your friends, so forget like painting something on leisure time.
Yeah.
उसके बाद then we got into architecture, which is considered one of the most busiest courses obviously. तो टाइम तो मिलता नहीं था. There was not he used to think यार मेरे को कुछ तो he used to always say कि before even trying to do architecture कि bro मेरे को fine art करने का है. I don't want to do BS, I want to do मेरे को fine art करने का है. But obviously they were I don't know. Fortunately, unfortunately हमने नहीं किया वो, इसने भी नहीं किया, मैंने भी नहीं किया.
So I think just so that I could understand in the very layman language. So what exactly is fine arts?
I don't know.
So,
I say genuinely don't know.
So I'll
I've
tell
never
you one
heard the
thing.
definition.
So what would you consider as fine arts?
So I'll tell you one thing about this.
Uh-huh.
While we did the last exhibition,
Uh-huh.
so there was one guy who was like I guess 2-3 years younger than me. So he had a debate like, "Ki what is fine art?" So I had a very brief conversation like me and Chinma also had. I think art is not defined as fine art or
Obviously.
abstract art. I guess what he meant ki what you have displayed here. So is there any style or particular theme you follow? That was that
Yeah.
guy's question.
That is
So-
a very good line of thought.
What I told him on a very, it is a very fucked up example, but he asked me basically कि I have learned that there is nothing called as abstract art or there is no notion of art.
Yeah.
He told कि it is free flowing. But why it is divided into segments and everything? Like this is fine art, this is
So
modern
fine
art,
arts, I
this
think
is abstract
the
art.
fine arts is, for in my opinion, fine arts is a very academic term.
Exactly.
Like let's say because मेरे को अगर आर्किटेक्चर करने का है, मैंने आर्किटेक्चर इज academic term. So fine arts,
Yeah.
in my opinion, is a very academic term कि bro मैं fine art करने JJ School of Art जा रहा हूँ. Then that fine art gets divided into several tributaries कि मेरे को
Basically,
steel work करने का है,
once you
canvas
get
करने
into
का है.
that educational front, there are segmentation to your
नहीं,
course,
subject है.
something
बहुत
like that.
got
देख मैं if I'm an artist, मैं कार्डबोर्ड से भी आर्ट बना सकता हूँ. I can make art of plastic also. I can do canvas also.
Yeah.
I can do clay also. That is basically art is like a bigger scheme of things.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Also
so
abstract
that
art
was the
I think
conclusion.
ठीक है.
The way we talk, the way we figure out that ki you cannot define art into segments. If you are an artist, not necessarily you should paint or you should draw.
Exactly. I
Yeah,
get
a
it.
singer
If you're a
is called an
freelancer,
artist.
you're also
Yeah.
artist.
A singer is called
So
an
I
artist.
think coming back to what Chinmay said, कि the way of doing things, I think art lies there, right? So
Yeah.
it also has to do a lot with the way of executioning
Yeah.
through whatever
I think
mediums
art
you
is
choose.
more about execution rather than the final
I'll
product
tell
that you
very-
present or
I'll
something
tell you
like that.
very basic काय म्हणता येईल त्याला very basic definition in my opinion. Art for me is something which I do for myself. I don't do for a client, I don't do for a customer, I don't do for a demographic. Art is something you do for yourself. It could be fucking dancing, drama, singing,
Exactly.
canvas painting, anything. कि सबसे सारे डांस खुद के लिए कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए नहीं कर रहे. You are dancing, they are not dancing. Even if there is nobody to look at it or acknowledge it at the other end, it doesn't matter. You can sing in a room. You'll feel good for yourself because you're singing.
Yeah.
If you're doing dance for yourself, you'll feel good because तुमको dance पसंद है. If I'm
Yeah.
painting, I'll do myself. Then the other part of the spectrum, which is there is no consumer in this. It's not business. Business comes very later. So business secondary, tertiary thing.
Yeah.
This is something I told everybody who came to the exhibition for the both exhibition कि कोई पूछता है कि अरे क्यों कर रहे हो तो you should tell them कि हमने ये बनाया exhibition करना है इसलिए मीटिंग नहीं बनाया. तो nobody obviously there is some thought कि मैं आर्टिस्ट हूँ पर obviously I want to exhibit my art. It could be dancer को always thinks कि मेरे को परफॉर्म करने का ही कहीं.
Exactly.
Singer will think कि मेरे को मैं गिटार बजाने का ही है. That because that is form of validation.
हाँ.
But that's not the reason you start doing that art. No.
Yeah.
कि हमने पेंटिंग शुरू की हम obviously not think of the business or the this thing कि नहीं यार मेरे को बेचने के 4-10 लाख का पेंटिंग बेचने का अब भी शुरू करते हैं 2 साल बाद 10 लाख का पेंटिंग बेचेंगे because if it very basic business strategy की खुद के लिए नहीं करोगे तो doesn't sell. So if you're doing it या फिर तो कुछ भी art and then people my little sister draws by pencil for herself that's art also.
Yeah.
That's I think the very basic this thing.
And another thing यार एक चीज is in my head कि let's say कि whenever you are in like a very artsy zone and you are trying to create something, ठीक है? It might be anything, painting, digital, whatever. So do you think as soon as it goes into a very commercial segment, as in like as soon as it goes into a commission,
Like a
let's say,
marketplace, yeah.
Okay.
for example, like I am commissioning you guys कि like you have to make something for me. So do you feel कि it puts on like this reverse pressure कि where your like creativity is restricted or the flow is restricted?
Like being a designer, I won't completely agree to that because most of the finest pieces of art have been created by possibility generated by some third person.
Oh.
That is always an instigator and a motivator to create more and a provider to create more because you need material things to create art.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
so as So one of the so as a designer, what I understand is one of the best designs come out of the most complex and intricate
Exactly.
briefs. The better the brief, the better the design. So in art, even if you are going to have the final expression as he told you,
Yeah.
like I think even if you are the client and I am an artist and not a designer here, if I immerse myself enough into your brief and we have that kind of a rapport to understand that I am an artist, so I will have that expression as an individual, and there's a way and emotion towards that brief or that whatever that narration is, and if we are on that consensus, then doing that work is completely art. If you are not on that consensus and you are doing something as the client is guiding you or like completely dictating you, then that I don't think that justifies as art, because I don't think the expression is purely being let out onto the whatever kind of canvas you're
Yeah.
So the kind of transparency, mostly I think in bespoke work or in commissioned work, the style of the artist loses its charm when the client becomes overpowering, or the
Exactly.
or the budget or the commission.
So how do you
pressure becomes
so
overpowering.
usually so how do you like distinguish it like I'm pretty sure there must be a very fine line कि इसके beyond if it goes, so then it's like extremely pokey and then it might affect your work.
Yeah, so I'll be very, very blank. We are not a very successful business right now. As a business model, we are not successful because of the.
But I believe as an artist, like,
So,
dude, like,
because,
I think
because
I
this
have
is
like
a passion
huge
project.
fan.
This is completely a passion project. We are doing this apart from our individual whatever freelancing or consultation jobs we have. So we are doing this completely independent of that, and the whole point of doing this is to not hinder the flow of the expression already or the emotions that we want to portray. So if a brief or a client, if the client or the brief are coming in between those things, we have
to let it go.
take a step back
Exactly.
and let it go.
So I
So we are
think
taking that
I think the
this
brief,
thing,
I will just add one point.
Yeah.
The brief you get should not be in a dictating way. You understand what I'm telling you?
yeah. So I feel it also, I think so recently when I have worked with Sarang, तो ये चीज मैंने काफी realize किया है. So obviously like Sarang needed a brief from my end, and I was like, so I think if you are giving briefs in like एकदम minor pointers,
Micromanage.
Exactly,
you should not
exactly.
micromanage
So-
any kind of for that matter, any service. If you are a business strategist for that matter, and if I have an idea, and you are going to form that business strategy, I should just put my trust into you, and you form the idea.
Exactly.
I think
I
you
don't-
should
like,
you
I
should
don't
just do an
idea is
background
of
check.
the result what you exactly
Exactly.
want, or beach का जो भी process, that is up to the
That
person
is
who is
the whole
trying to
point of
execute
consulting.
it.
That
freelancing
was,
someone.
I think if I am hiring someone, it's my responsibility to have a background check. कि उसका काम कैसा है.
And then trust the guy. for
Exactly.
doing that job.
If you know
Leave it
how
there.
the style is, so आपका जो भी प्रोडक्ट रहेगा जो आप उससे लोगे, that will be on the similar terms or on the similar points. But if you have not seen our work and you are giving me an idea and you are thinking I will Xerox it, मैं photocopy नहीं कर सकता उसको. You give me a brief and then leave it to us.
लेकिन हम कर भी सकेंगे उसको photocopy, we
Exactly.
won't do it. Like we really won't do it.
Then the whole point is extinguished of us being
No, even for
commissioned
business
artists.
work, it makes no sense. I'm seriously telling you, it makes no sense to make that work a reality. Putting so much effort, because I'm telling you, any kind of artist, like even if you are if you call yourself an artist, you know that art takes a lot of effort. You're not just
for
trained
sure,
physically,
for sure.
but emotionally. and
Emotionally,
mentally you get
exactly.
trained,
And I think it is
work
also a
off and on.
continuous practice that
It is a practice.
Yeah.
So we adore me and Chaitanya majorly because we are literally grown up together with all kind of similar influences.
Yeah.
So music has been a very big instigator in whatever we do. Music and in that sense a lot of literature also.
Yeah.
So and if you see any good singer or musician, they are extremely skilled artists. Like yesterday only we were talking about it, कि a painter might not paint the same painting twice.
Exactly.
But like a musician or a singer, they sing that same song for a million times to get it correct.
Yes,
Like for even a Qawwali singer, or for that matter classical singer, for almost 2 or 3 generations they will sing the same bandish, and finally they will perform it for their entire lives and still try to perfect it. That is art, and that is the purest form of expression. After like a certain point, the effort goes away and only expressions come out, and that is where we like tried
Well,
wanting to
then,
reach, but we are a first generation family of artists right now. So probably when this whole studio goes into the second generation, by that time probably we'll have a style.
it's है ना कि like during the first exhibition last year, during like literally a week होने वाला है, right? Today is what 8 Feb 7 Feb. 10 दिन बाद
28th will be the second
first year 1 year after the exhibition. The first exhibition was like literally like an introduction thing कि obviously हमको we wanted to नहीं मतलब ना कि we needed validation उसके बाद the second exhibition जो हुआ अभी कॉरिडोर में, so a lot of people asked me कि like how did you come up with this, what was the motivation behind doing this. हमने वो बोला कि it is literally like I told this to I guess कौन होता है यार like स्कूल में तो क्लासमेट somebody was there, so he was asking क्या कैसे कर रहे हो ब्रो, ये कैसे कर रहे हो. मैंने उसको बोला कि this is literally us just trying to mature as an artist. And mature in a sense not a very like philosophical term. Mature like कि अगर मैं आज अच्छा पेंटिंग नहीं बना रहा हूँ, if I'm doing a sketch, let's say I'm doing pencil drawing, अगर मैं if I do this for like continuously for a year 10 months, if I'm getting the time, obviously I'm going to get better at it. Same है ना, तो वही है. I guess पॉइंट होता है चार्जेस एपिसोड में बिस्पो वाला पॉइंट ज्यादा.
हाँ
Dude, तुझे एक जो पॉइंट बोला कि the point about validation, right? So recently I have realized कि so most of the time क्या होता है कि ये मेरे साथ भी बहुत बार हुआ है कि so if I'm trying to do something innovative, if I'm trying to do something एकदम mad level insane, whatever things are going better, so I feel कि there is a constant habit of going and telling to everyone कि this is what I'm doing. Maybe that is an external source of validation that we are trying to rely on, because obviously like we are human, we are a social human. We would want to feel that validation कि ठीक है whatever I'm doing, so
gets acknowledged by
exactly. So I feel the validation, the attention that brings in. So do you think like on a majority level or on a very how do I put it? Like on a very major level, does it dictate the kind of work you do and the outcome comes?
I would rather say we are so devoid of that. Really, I think we should get into that a little bit because we have not relied probably on, or we are either, I think we care too less about it right now. We should care more.
We are over focusing on
because I'll be very honest here. As social media accounts are not that, like we don't post every day.
Obviously.
Like it is like, so we for a month we don't post anything because we are just in a process of thinking what next. What is the next thing to do? We have not learned art. Like we have not learned art academically. So we don't know how and what builds a style or what should we do. Like is this the limitation of what I can do as an artist?
So it is more of like paying attention rather than like seeking attention.
Because if at this point if we get validated by the kind of work we are doing and we acknowledge ourselves for the work we are doing, we'll stop doing something.
Exactly. So we are more focusing on showcasing our work. The validation is part and parcel which we
I think that is like the 20, like so you do 80% work to get 20% attention.
Exactly.
That's okay. So you do that.
So right now that's okay because we are building.
But also
on a very high.
I said like first to second exhibition it's like a very pivotal point for everybody. Karan during the first one and the second one, there's like validation that people who don't like your work.
Exactly.
It is very common. That is something you should learn. वो सीखना पड़ता है कि nobody tells you that. Even in architecture, even when you're in school or college, nobody, like at least me and Sinmar used to being architecture college, the faculties are ruthless. They like fucking tear your sheet apart. If अगर तू हक दिया sheet पे तो they are going to tear your sheet.
Yeah, that's because
they'll tell you to, no they'll tell you to fuck off.
Right? And I think they should at some point.
And
at some point
अभी वो तेमा को वहाँ तब बहुत अलग लगता है. But right now when we are into the field, when you enter the field as a freelancer, then you understand कि you do something कि तुम जान लगा कि मेहनत करते हो, you pull all nighters and do a work for a client, let's say render, anything for that matter. In our case like a render, still that fucking client will say कि यार ये red है, मेरे को blue चाहिए था, blue है मेरे को orange चाहिए था.
I think.
But now we understand
about the
because now
recent
we
experience.
No, that's very common.
That's been happening for like 4 years, 3 years with us. But now we understand, we have created that thick skin. अभी समझते कि कॉलेज वाले क्यों ऐसा करते हैं कि they have faced that, they have been facing, faculties have been these are architects, so they have been facing this as for like what your type. They have an architecture. That's why maybe they do it with us कि यार तुमको don't get on a high horse कि bro बहुत जबरदस्त डिजाइन हुआ हुआ.
Yeah.
So, dude, एक चीज मेरे को यानी ठीक है, I get the point कि like you have never been like moved or distracted with whatever external validation या attention you get, but do you feel like it's a very general, dude, I face that problem
Yeah.
कि मुझे so most of the time ऐसा होता है कि whatever moves I make in work or whatever, most of the time it is like कि if I do certain things it might catch certain attention.
Yeah, that is very real. So the anxiety induced by social media is extremely real because
The whole
sense of-
thing to be seen.
Yeah, so because you see your peers or like, so now when you are into a community after your education is over, you are into the global community now.
Yeah.
So everybody is like, everybody who other than you who's an artist becomes a competitor of a sort. Not so, and the competition will be healthy, but in the sort, if when you start seeing people of your same caliber across the world going ahead,
I
with
don't
their
see
work-
anyone in the city who is like.
Hey, but the
as
city is a
good
very
as
small
you guys.
example.
Yeah,
You know? It's
exactly.
like
Yeah.
you are like it is for a cat to.
Hey, how many? How they tell me how many galleries are there? Art gallery. कुछ भी नहीं है.
I mean, this city is. I think you should not take that. So
In the city. Yeah.
yeah,
Dude, we found 5 art galleries in Banjara Hills, and we did not go to all of them. We just Google searched ki art galleries in Banjara Hills.
Huh.
We found 5 of them
I
and
think
visited.
10 or something.
And we visited 10 of the. There are 10 of them. We went to like 4 or 5 of
so
them.
this city is a very small attempt to judge the art community because nothing right now here. So there is a very good art community. So but right now I don't. So it is not so like it is not just. Let's be very practical. It's not Mumbai. It's a big town, and any kind of art,
But
art form does not.
कितना time हो गया? How?
You cannot judge like
How?
right now.
Like,
मेरे को
how?
एक
What
चीज
time I
बता।
will cry about कि अरे मुंबई नहीं है. We are.
अगर मेरे को
We are
चीज
the ones
बता,
who
एक-
want to
एक-
compete in Mumbai.
हाँ.
So on that, so nowadays the pressure I feel is extremely more on any business or any startup or any artist or any freelancer who is setting up a business or his practice right now is that your competition is with the entire, at least the entire country at once.
Exactly.
Because you see everyone's work at once.
Yeah.
And so you always feel that validation while painting. Also, you get that anxiety at times. Ki yaar, could I have done better? Because like I am seeing better. And your work might be better than what other people are doing, but you get that pseudo sense of pressure or anxiety. Sometimes it's real, sometimes it's not real.
Yeah.
But you do feel that it's extremely it's extremely stressful at times to keep up with the competition. That is why it has been like a pattern for this entire year has been that we for a complete month or two we don't post anything.
Yeah.
Because we don't like we make like 20 odd paintings in like 15-20 days, but we don't post it because we just don't feel like it. Like we don't feel that this is worth. It's like even for that matter, the format of showing that on social media is worth the effort of making it.
I remember the first time we met Siti. Siti was the first time we met him. He was like, bro, Nagpur is the shit. I want to know why did you say that?
Dude, because obviously. So I think I have had this conversation बहुत लोग के साथ and like most of the time
We did the same when we talked to Mithilesh also.
Because he has a lot of potential.
Exactly. तो मैं अभी
But,
वही पूछ रहा था कि let's say कि for example we are considering कि उतना community नहीं है, उतना infrastructure नहीं है, whatever XYZ. For example, let's say कि we have to make it as good as any other city we talk about like Mumbai or Hyderabad. So if we literally have to start everything from scratch, like literally ground zero. So how would you want to like literally architect it? Like how would you do it? So if you have to do like pura building everything, like stepping stone, foundation, everything. If you have to get at that level, so what would you want? Like different elements in that.
So I'll tell you one very practical thing. I always talk with Chinmay on this topic. People don't try. Is what I think. I will share one incident. So there was a gallery in Nagpur, I will not name it obviously. So me and Chinmay went there and we saw a big red painting. And we were like...
B-grade painting as
it was a big painting in red color. I'll just...
Big red painting.
Big red painting.
Big red.
It was a big red painting.
I just said कि B-grade painting and I was
Big red painting.
Spicy content.
spicy.
So okay. So okay.
दुसरे
So I will just share this. So me and Chinmay, I told Chinmay, Chinmay, this is something I've never seen in my city. I think you will remember that.
Yeah.
So I told him that this is something. When that was, I guess, the second or third month after we started. After we started the studio back in 2020. So I told him, Chinmay, this is something we should try to do.
Like the level of work for that.
Level of work. And after, I guess, 1.5 years, we made Turiya, which will get after.
We'll be talking about it.
And when we got, I'm not appreciating ourselves for doing that, but when we got validation for that painting and people started, oh, this is something we have never seen. That day I told Chinmay, okay, we have surpassed at least this level, or at least we are on, I will not say, but it is a very common term, but we are in competition with someone who is doing good. So that day I told him, okay, we are on something great. On a great path.
Like we are onto something good.
We are onto something good. Exactly.
Because the problem is,
Yeah.
like, and the second most important thing, while the pandemic obviously has been a very difficult time. So we have talked about this during the exhibition also, that you throughout the pandemic, building a practice throughout the pandemic was more difficult because you went through so many emotions in like such a small amount of time, and this particular age that we are in, it's very complex. The amount of emotions are very complex. So that flew into the work very easily. Like,
Dude, I really
just
don't
translate it.
remember कि last 2 साल में क्या हुआ
Exactly.
है.
But looking back at the work we have done, it is like a document which shows that this was your final
Exactly.
thought. So we literally talked about but I want to get to the point you were saying that, and connected to your question is when you feel that pressure now, when you start feeling that pressure of validation, whether or not you're getting it, you should go back to your basics. Like, how good is your art?
Exactly.
What are you weighing it by?
Yeah.
There is a sense of satisfaction, but getting complacency of your own work is very bad.
Exactly.
So you should like, what are you weighing it against? Like, what are you adoring at that particular point of time? Not just for gratification, it is not lust that you're feeling, but love towards that particular work, and you admire that this is.
It's like more of
The shit has
love
got
making
really-
rather than like.
And you have to like come back to that point.
I will add one point. Like you asked, what is I think lacking in the city or any
Or
other.
it's like even if we
So
have
that
to build
was also
everything
very,
So
from
I
A to
always,
Z.
we always discuss while we are out that people don't dare to try new things. What we did is we at least tried something. And because it was a passion project as of मतलब अभी भी वही है, but still start करना बहुत important है. और start करके अगर दिखाओगे ही नहीं किसी को, लोगों को कुछ पड़ा ही नहीं है. If you will not showcase your work, not for validation, but just for your sake, कि this is something, if you are doing something new, at least have the guts to face people and show them. We have so tons of negative critics, I will tell you. So there is one guy who called us painter. He thought I am a wall painter or something. I was like, okay, we had that. When we tell people that we are artists or some people painters, so they think that we are contractors or some kind of.
कार्डो लीडर है जैसे देशपांडे.
Exactly. So they think we are contractors. So you cannot change mindset of the people.
But what cannot be changed overnight.
But what you can do, you can after that particular incident, will level up the game. For us also. Because अगर वो एक ही स्टेज पे रहोगे बार बार, तो तुम्हारा काम भी स्टैग्नेंट रहेगा और ग्रोथ तो होगी ही नहीं. So you have to try new things and at least show to people that okay, this is something new. How do you feel about it?
So
And the more negative critics will come, जितने negative points आएंगे, उतना positive हमारा अगला वर्क रहेगा. It's as good as simple as that.
So what happens is
बियर वाले सर का बोला एकदम.
रणवीर.
कशाला
पहला पॉडकास्ट सीधा
काय ते नाव घेतलं कॉपीराइट नाही लागत आपल्याला.
टू द मून.
so I wanted to answer his question. I wanted to answer your question of how to build this up. So he has a very good point. People don't try, but so let us like go back to trying to say that like how does your work way.
We don't want to say it like at least we don't want to say it in a very egoistic way कि we are trying तो हम लोग बहुत.
नहीं वो that is not it is not about
भाई लोकांना काही वाटतं.
नाही
I will tell you one thing.
And now I'm telling the structural part of you're asking me how to architecture progress.
Exactly.
Where you get a
Ekdam
community of artists.
natural framework.
Yeah. So
basically.
just let me tell that.
Yeah.
Imagine that we are not artists right now, but a strategy, like making a strategy
definitely.
to make this grow.
Yeah.
Most basic thing is to cultivate a community of people who are like-minded towards a particular goal.
Perfect.
So artists, if you want, so throughout our both the exhibitions, we have found out people. So like for the end, in the last year, we have met around around 1,000 or 1,500 new people. So we have met a lot of people physically. We have met these new people, and they are all locally placed. And most of them have told us that this is something we always wanted to like witness in the city, but we never got the chance.
Yeah.
Most of them are not in the stature to go out and see these things, and some of them who have been through places thought that this is like fantastic because we are getting to and talk and discuss about these very articulate and very complex emotions or expressions in the city like ours. So so the whole problem is what Aniket is saying. People are not bold enough, and it is very difficult for an individual artist to set up a exhibition space or to exhibit their works. So if like someone is interested in these kind of things and to make a art community grow, the first thing is that we need to uplift individual artists and to uplift studios like ours. There might be multiple studio like the one we are. There is so many studios across the city which we don't know of right now.
Yeah.
Just because we are not connected to them right now. So it is very egoistic to say that we are the only ones. Obviously,
we are not the only ones.
because we are not even artists. That is what I'm telling you. There are so many professional artists who have so much capability, but they are not being seen just because they are not in the picture or they are not putting themselves out. The work is not being put out because they don't
So
have
how do you do that?
No, that is how. So there are two like a lot of ways to do it. One of the ways is to profitably start a gallery. Be a good gallerist. Go out throughout the city. Churn out the kind of people that have been through academics.
How to do
have
what?
been artists.
Show your art. मैं थोड़ा मुझे basically
How to establish
get publicity थोड़ा सा ना
Yeah,
PR
मेरे को
basically.
चीज बताओ कि like how does a very यानी एकदम basic layman language क्योंकि मेरे को उतना knowledge नहीं है कि how does a gallery actually functions.
Yeah, so what we understand right now is through whatever we have found out, because again this is all self-explored like terms and definitions. So what we have found out is that there is generally a person who is a gallerist who owns
The space.
who owns a space, which is a very mandatory requirement here because you need physical space to show physical art. And then the second thing is that gallerist needs to have
Curator.
It's a curator. It's like a director and a producer thing. Exactly like a movie.
Producer,
so you need someone who
producer gives the money, director gets the actors basically.
Yeah, but both of them need to be very selective of what they're showcasing. So a particular gallery generally has a line of thought, a line of narrative which they follow for a particular season and then we go ahead with something else. So the gallerist has to be someone who is influential enough to pull in sources and make sense.
Exactly.
Because artists do not have, because they are students, they don't have the kind of money to pull in resources and do the exhibit and do the sell also.
Yeah, but the problem
That is why the gallerist has to come in.
But the
facilitate this, take the commission and get the.
that is a very like this thing. We all of us like
It's
it
like
because-
very transactional.
No, it is.
Yeah, but it has to be. Right?
No, it is okay. Everything needs to transition because there is a lot of fucking money involved. For me, मेरा problem is कि this not problem but like क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Opinion.
My opinion is कि यार ये बहुत ना right now the context is this is very like this model is very old.
Yeah, it's extremely old, but that's
Very
how
old.
galleries function. You ask us.
Yeah.
I'll tell you one very good thing.
There is right now why this model is old because sometime we have been to like Bombay. We were in Bombay for 8 months, so हम लोग जाते थे. We used to go to South Bombay a lot, so we used to go to all these galleries, Jahangir and all those. So Jahangir के opposite there is this modern art something. So this for in my opinion there is something called a Biennale. I had shown the pictures to इसको सारंग को दिखा था कि there is something called a Biennale where there are it happens all over the world. Chicago Biennale, Kochi Biennale, Singapore Biennale, blah blah बहुत होते हैं. So we got to know about it because our faculties had been there and one of our friends, one of our seniors, he went there because he was doing some internship in Bangalore somewhere. So our faculty went there, documented everything, and they showed it to us कि देखो ये this is basically Biennale is like a committee. I don't know, it's a worldwide committee. They have these. Let's say if there's Nagpur Biennale, if I am the head of Nagpur Biennale, if there is like a core team, we have a theme for let's say इस तरह की theme है. Let's say इस तरह की theme है. There's some very philosophical theme, blah blah blah, and these guys select around I don't know, maybe I will be wrong, but at least 50 artists, 25 to 50 artists. And these artists are not just limited to the spectrum of just artworks of painting. Just fucking phenomenal art जो किसी ने कभी देखा ही नहीं है जिंदगी में. For people like us who stayed in Nagpur, जो जितना बार अगर गए नहीं होंगे एक्सप्लोर नहीं मिला होगा, for unfortunately for us something like that, to see something like that in Kochi, it's like an eye-opening thing कि you know we stand on the world stage, and for in my opinion that something like that which is like a collaborative effort of all the artists just uplifts that moment to another level only.
So basically, what happens there
Yeah.
is there's a brief, and there's a consensus of like there's a narrative to the entire thing,
Yeah.
and then every artist has their own prerogative and their own idea, which is curated basically, and they have a space and they execute. Biennales are generally for visual arts,
Yeah.
Okay.
so they comprise of sculptures and
no
experiential
performance
spaces,
arts.
and they also do have some performance art included with the whole narration. So every artist has a specific area and they do whatever comes to their mind, and it's completely mind blowing.
Oh.
So something like that uplifts the community to a very big extent, because when a
Maybe because you are not restricting
So
it
give a
to a
very-
very specific
give a-
form.
give a very
माहिती आहे
first
का बरं?
example.
नाही
हां.
माझ्या डोक्यात आलं का बरं माहिती आहे, कारण like for artists like us or for maybe a group of artists or maybe individual artists we starting out, let's say अगर कोई पास आउट जेजे से या कोई पास आउट चित्रकला महाविद्यालय से, so for them, for him or her to do a painting or do, even if he or she is a very fucking phenomenal painter or a sculptor or कोई भी artist हो, उसको अगर she wants to get to let's say like a वैभव तो खूप मोठा झाला, let's say want to goes to from an amateur to a pro in terms of the, let's say, the business point of view in this field. बहुत टाइम लगता है, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है, बिकॉज अप्रिसिएशन में अलग बहुत टाइम लगता है अप्रिसिएशन मिलने में. यू हैव टू गो टू सिटी पेंटिंग टू पेंटिंग एग्जीबिशन ब्ला ब्ला बहुत करना पड़ता है. बट इफ यू डू सच कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट, नो, you can in one space you get to see 10 artists rather than just seeing one, because maybe वो एक को देखने के लिए 10 लोग नहीं आएंगे, 2 ही लोग आएंगे, पर और 5 आर्टिस्ट को देखने के लिए 10 लोग आएंगे, 10 लोग सबका देखेंगे. That's how you basically uplift the community.
Exactly.
And we have been
Because
suggesting this to a lot of people,
Yeah.
a lot of investors. Like if you're looking into making a community sustainable,
Which is very similar model to a film festival, na?
Exactly.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
what that does is it exposes the local audience to a lot of good art, and then it starts cultivating that conversation around it, and people start looking forward to doing something of this sort every year, and then start building conversations around it. And when this entire thing this basically has a ripple effect. So in this recent exhibition, we got this like a very big feedback of people that because you did this, so this conversation has started.
Yeah.
Because
exactly.
this was done for the first time here, now we are into this conversation. Why are we talking about this right
Exactly,
now?
exactly.
So we have had
Yeah.
these thoughts for such a
Yeah.
long time. Why are we talking about it right now? Because we could showcase our work with whatever the privileges and whatever thoughts we had, and we could connect on that particular ground, and so we are like, in a coherent space to discuss these things. And that is what a lot of people need right now. But we do not have those resources, but people who have these resources, we are like happily there to help you out and complete concert it with you to get it to that scale. But as soon as what the problem here is, once you start creating this as a business model, people start they try to siphon out a lot of money out of this.
Exactly.
Right? It is a good thing to earn money from a business model. It's obviously good. It's profitable venture. It should be a profitable venture so that it becomes sustainable. But itne early, it's like itne early stage, it's like exploiting a child actor for doing better and better work. It is like that. So
मेरे को
at
मैं
least,
वही
you should
सोच
let
रहा
the
था
community grow.
Yeah. कि for example let's say कि so you made an art piece, ठीक है, तो उसका value grows over a
Yeah.
period of time.
Exactly.
ठीक
Yeah,
है. So like I'm pretty sure कि there must be various factors which affects the whole value of the art.
Yeah.
Right? Let's say कि for example अभी we have this piece यहाँ पे, let's say कि you made like 2 years ago.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So when you actually made it, let's say कि like it was priced for some XYZ rupees, and today let's say कि it might have appreciated.
Okay.
Right?
2x maybe.
Maybe 2x. ठीक है, 2x, 3x, whatever. So on what basis are you valuing that 2x?
Okay.
Like I'm pretty sure there must be various factors.
Yeah,
जो
so
तो
we have been
include
asked
होंगे.
these questions like a lot.
Yeah,
If you see,
yeah.
I will urge a lot of people to just go ahead and look at our website. So a lot of pieces are priced quite high, and we
Quite
know
high,
it very seriously. We know that each print costs like 10 grand and above. There is nothing below that. And a lot of people ask us, like, what if, like, how can a fucking
See,
print cost
so
so much?
so
I want to the value of your work. So every piece, like I'm genuinely telling you, any piece of handmade or digital work could be priceless. It is priceless to an artist.
Exactly.
How can you rate a dance performance by the money you give to them?
Yeah.
The ticket you
Yeah.
buy for a performance is
Yeah.
only viewed by the experience that artist has as a dancer. You don't
Yeah.
pay for that dance. You pay for the performance,
Exactly.
being learning that art for that round.
I also feel कि most of the time it's about, so let's say कि there's some XYZ painting,
Yeah.
and the way I perceive a specific painting and the way, let's say कि Aniket perceives it, for him the value of that exact specific painting can be different because
It is completely
because the
absolutely
kind of
priceless.
things it brings to him
Yeah.
might be different.
Yeah.
So you know that is what कि the whole art space is so subjective.
It is,
and
yeah.
I'm pretty sure कि I don't think कि there cannot be a specific niche. Or
so
यानी
can I give you one good example? So if you are buying an art piece, you are not buying a product or a service.
obviously
You are buying an experience.
Yeah.
So if you put it in a funnel, there is product based and there is service based.
हाँ.
Art is something in middle.
Oh,
If you get a
this
commission
is something-
artwork,
हाँ.
so we are a service based model.
But
I am
you're
talking
delivering a
very
final product.
exactly. I am
Yeah,
talking very
yeah.
in commerce term.
Very apt. Very apt.
This is product based service. This is service based service.
Yeah.
और यहाँ पे कहीं तो भी art आता है, which is more about expression.
Dude, this
So
is
you
brilliant
pay
one. Yeah.
for the expression.
Yeah.
So I am telling you that कि art is valued कि हमको 13 साल लगे हैं स्टूडियो खोलने में.
Exactly. मैं वही सुनना चाहता हूँ.
We have done commission
Exactly.
works in the past
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
But now is it कि I think
can I coin it something? So it is exactly like art is exactly like time. It is relatable. Time is relative, no?
Exactly.
So
yeah.
for a sprinter, the time is extremely different, and for a marathon, the time is completely different.
So I'll tell you
It
one
is like
very
that is art.
very good thing. I correct me if I'm wrong, but I think art is valued कि artist की age क्या है और उसका past experience क्या है.
Mostly it has been that.
हाँ,
but
I have felt
in the
that
global
because
community, that does not
if-
stand good.
I think
I don't think that has
exactly.
globally
So
works.
no, I don't. I'm just
Yeah.
quoting it out because we have faced it. कि I am 23, and if I have made this artwork and if I am demanding you X amount, just because I have मुझे पता है कितना एफर्ट लगा है. अगर मैंने पहले साल में बनाया रहता और मैंने 13 साल कंटिन्यूस हम पेंट करके we have reached to a level that we are able to ask that amount. Obviously कि ये जब when the amount things comes ना वो पूरा extinguish हो जाता है. But for some point you have to quote it.
And so when you say efforts, obviously we are not like trying to put it in like mad labor work.
It is not about labor,
So
it is about
most of the
skill.
time it's
Rather
about
say,
the skill.
can I
Exactly.
The thinking process, basically the perception that you have of whatever imagination or the creativity.
I think Shipra had a question and she just left.
So
Yeah,
I will tell you one
I
thing.
guess we'll never know.
I think the way you think,
Huh.
like these guys are more into literature and everything. He reads lots of books. So I think when you explore more things as an artist or a freelancer, it somehow helps in boosting your or developing your skill. If अगर मैंने कोई बुक पढ़ी और अगर मुझे उसका कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छा लगा और अगर उस कॉन्सेप्ट पे मैं अगर आर्टवर्क बना रहा हूँ रिसर्च करके कुछ भी रहे झाड़ का पत्ता भी रहे चलेगा बट इफ आई हैव स्टडीड इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम सो ऑब्वियसली आई विल एबल टू डिपिक्ट इट इन अ मच बेटर वे
Yeah.
सो लाइक
Yeah. So what I wanted to, I was talking about something. Yeah, I just forgot.
ये सारंग पाड़ी देना.
मैं भी भूल गया. अरे एक चीज मैं पूछ रहा था. One
सारंग
thing that I want to talk.
रहो दे आए रहो.
Are we done with the water break? या मेरे को एक चीज यानी it's the same thing. I think the very first time when we met, dude, like, चल ठीक है, like I was aware of like what work you guys are doing. I mean, it's a small city. We all are like.
Yeah,
aware
we
of-
like boundary
Yeah. तो मेरे को ये चीज पूछना था कि यानी I think for whatever time or years I have been like working, I personally find it like very difficult to work along with someone. यानी the very intimate kind of working, like as a proper partnership,
Yeah.
that proper commitment.
Yeah.
And so when I actually got to know कि you three work together as an artist on the same piece.
I will answer this. I will answer
तो
this.
मेरा तो दिमाग
That's a
में
very
गया था.
common
I will answer this.
Yeah.
So I will tell you a very specific point. It is so like it is a very vague answer. So it is not about partnership. We have been हम बचपन से साथ में बड़े हुए.
कितने बचपन से?
I guess from
I think from like first, second,
third, Chatti Pattis.
That is
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
like, so,
चटनी
I-
बात करो so much.
So I was telling you कि people who don't know us और जो पहली बार देखते हैं they
हाँ.
cannot understand the relation we share.
नाही तो म्हणतोय की तुम्ही पेंटिंग सोबत कशा
हाँ तो वही बता रहा ना मैं because we have grown together.
तसं तर आपण आय पेंटिंग करतो का
मी तेच म्हणलं लोकांना
is also a very good point.
की because what we share is
ये सारंग दाबेली दे ना यार.
so I think लोगों को समझाना कि हम तीनों साथ में कैसे काम करते हैं is very difficult.
No, I can answer very easily.
हाँ obviously तेरे
मेरे को
साथ
एक बहुत स्पेसिफिक चीज है, एक बहुत
जाओ
स्पेसिफिक
कैमरा सुरू है.
क्वेश्चन है. लेट्स से कि obviously you have a very limited space of executioning.
Yeah.
ठीक है, expressing whatever your thoughts are. ठीक है, like I'm pretty sure कि the whole यानी first step would be like you decide कि अपने को ऐसा कुछ बनाना है. Then maybe you bifurcate your roles.
Yeah.
ठीक है, like I'm pretty sure कि तुम तीनों में से एक का एक स्पेसिफिक स्पेशलाइजेशन होगा या कुछ
Yeah.
मास्टरी होगा कि लाइक ये चीज ये ही बेटर कर सकता है.
अनिकेत सब
क्या क्या
अनिकेत इज द मास्टर ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
Yeah. This guy, Vishal.
हॉडी
This is One Studios.
हॉडी
The personification of One Studios is this guy. We are just the doorkeepers.
jack of all trade, master of none. Master of none is better than one.
Oh my god.
No.
Sir, do we need to drop the mic?
I will tell you.
हां गुलजार है.
I will tell you. Jack of all trades is
Hmm.
master of none, but is better than master of one.
तू आदित्य कहीं अलग बोल रहा?
हो ना
वो मैं
चुत्या बोलून आला
वो
प्या.
फोन करने में गलती हो गई.
जगो बोल रही बस.
I'll call it right.
उगीच
Jack of all trades
हाँ.
is master of none, but is always better
एक
than master of one.
एक मिनिट जॅक ऑफ ऑल ट्रेड मास्टर ऑफ नन इज नाहीये मध्ये.
अरे फोन कौन करता है मतलब?
अरे मला एक गोष्ट सांग.
बोलो.
Dude, recently I've been like madly obsessed with
But
the.
I will still say कि we have not tapped on the core of the conversation.
हाँ exactly.
हाँ,
I
please,
think
please,
there is
please.
lot
तू दादा तू काय बोलतो बोलू दे ना.
बोलना तो
Yeah,
बोल
yeah,
बोल
no,
बोल.
just
नहीं,
go.
because my topic is like whole different thing. It's like a different conversation.
हाँ we can talk.
काका आई बाबा ते म्हणजे खबर झालेली नुसते.
Podcast is supposed to
It's
be
like
informal.
cute little moments.
Exactly.
हाँ, ठीक है. Yeah. Go ahead.
अरे you were saying
मी म्हणलं
the core
Please just,
the core to the conversation.
No, I just think that there's a lot more to talk about.
व्हॉट इज द कोर ऑफ द कॉन्व्हर्सेशन.
How do
अरे
we
I mean
work
like
together?
ahead of
Let
the
the
No, but I
conversation.
just think that
Let's
you
address it
deeper into
right
this
now.
conversation. There's a lot more to talk about. I don't know.
हाँ तो please.
सांग ना व्हॉट
Yes,
इज
I think that will come from.
व्हॉट
my
इज अकॉर्डिंग टू
question.
यू द कोर.
Just-
नहीं, because I was jumping onto something else कि like
Yeah.
so I was talking more about the
Then we
whole.
were talking about how the three of us work together. We were
हाँ,
trying to
हाँ,
not
हाँ.
go into the
Exactly.
solution. Yeah.
तो मेरा वही था कि you get a very limited space of executioning your thoughts,
Yeah.
your mastery and all those things that
Yeah, yeah.
we discussed. So how do you ensure कि your space of expression is enough?
Like individually.
हाँ, individually
But I
कि
think,
कि
yeah.
brings you satisfaction. वो होता है ना कि like कि let's say कि एक
I understand your
चपाती
question,
तीनों में
yeah.
बांटनी है.
Yeah, exactly. Rather than I think it's like
एक काय एक
No, I
एक
think
चपाती
एक
तीनों
chapati
बांटनी.
dinner batni comes to it when we are like dividing the money for that painting.
Exactly.
नहीं, I
But
get
while
it.
making it,
So there is one thing ki like the limited space,
Hmm.
ठीक है, like because you are visually seeing कि the canvas is whole,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah, but
but you get to execute a part of it.
No.
No, it is not like that. No.
अच्छा,
no.
it's
So I can tell you.
Okay.
That's why I was. So एक चपाती तीनों में बांटनी is a very easy thing.
Hmm.
It is easier to do that. To partition work into three. That is how not how canvases that we paint work. Like we
Okay.
don't take a particular set कि इतना जगह मैं करूँगा, इतना जगह अनिकेत करे, इतना जगह जगह. That is not how it works.
Not a group
आता एक
project.
how-
तू
most of
आलं
our
बघितलं
works-
ना, ते चिन्मय एकट्याने केलं.
So like I'm again telling you, this is just in, like we are in the beginning of whatever we are doing right now. It's just the second year of what we are doing. So there are few pieces which we do. Like today I painted a piece which was completely just my individual thought process, just banging onto a canvas.
Got
Okay,
it.
I just went with a brush and I just did whatever I wanted with that canvas. But there are some few pieces which we calculatedly put our minds and efforts to, and we execute that.
Yeah.
So then we, all of us, three of us sit down, and any painting that as one studio we put out, like this is the painting by one studio and this is what people are supposed to see going ahead. All the three of us has like we have to like completely verify and critique that work till the last moment. This is something which we admire. Like finally it has come to that fruition, and all of the three of us are satisfied with the kind of work that we have done. And mostly it is not the finesse that it has reached, but the concept that
Concept,
arrives
exactly.
at. So for us, most of our
Got
work is not figurative work. Right now we are not there. We are like, because we have not been trained to like draw like that. But most of our works are conceptual right now. So it's more visual, conceptual works, and so the process becomes very important.
So basically, if I have to put it in like very basic terms, so 80% of the whole work or the whole art piece is done during the whole brainstorming session or the conceptualization
Like,
of it. And then
it
20%
it's
is
true
just the
for-
execution
it
on
is
the
true- yeah, it is true for
canvas.
those paintings where like the concept is at the root of everything. There are a few paintings where we just have fun with the canvas. So there are a few paintings
Got it.
which have completely been born out of intuitions by the three of us in those particular moments, but the conversations we had during those paintings. But some paintings are like pre-intuitive and like premeditated thoughts, which are very crucial and very important concepts. And so we have to like chalk down a complete strategy to executing that piece. So the thought might take a week or two to formalize, and the painting might take 2 days to complete.
yeah,
Just
yeah.
2 days. And some paintings might take a month because it is not still there, because it was started intuitively, so it has no end right now.
Got
So
it,
that's
got
how
it.
it goes.
ऐसा यानी do you have any painting like which you could never complete?
No, not right now. That is a
no.
very good part, because I have learned this through a very hard way, because I had a lot of canvases left undone or half done during my like childhood. So I left a lot of canvases unfinished, and I could never finish them once I left them unfinished.
I left a lot of canvases unfinished.
Yeah.
And why do
So
you
now I don't
think
I,
like
I
the
should- I-
paint
you
dry
never
worst thing
go
to do.
back to complete it?
Why? What?
I mean, why do you feel like you never go back to those canvases?
Procrastination is a very bad habit, and I am a very good person at it.
So it's like so
अबे
it's
अबे
very rational.
अबे ये खूप
Like
natural.
nothing.
खूप natural है,
Natural है.
खूप होता. ये
very
देख ना,
easy, no?
ये
It's very
ये
easy.
look at this. This is fucking sitting for like 6 months, right?
Yeah.
We look at this every day when we come to studio. तभी भी हम लोग नहीं करते इसको.
So it is always like that. So you should complete that piece. And I think that is why it is here that we know that it has to be completed. Otherwise we won't do that. So
Oh,
I had a
yeah,
lot of
picture
unfinished canvases which I just put beside a wall or behind a bed and never like looked at it again for a lot of years, thinking कि मैं summer में paint करूँगा, but it never happened.
अभी समर आने
It
वाला
is like that. मैं लॉकडाउन में बहुत बुक्स पढ़ूंगा ना, तब एक ही बुक पढ़ा मैंने अभी तक, वो इतना था. ऐसा है.
अच्छा एक चीज यानी recently I've been obsessing over this concept called Renaissance.
Renaissance.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Just a croissant.
Croissant.
Croissant and Renaissance.
Renaissance. So
Yes.
यानी I think it
हाँ,
does talk much more about the whole existence of art, the various the various forms of arts, how it was evolved, or like maybe made it to a very how do I put it, I mean, it was like on a very mass levels. I think it was during the French Revolution
Yeah,
के बाद
post
वाला
that, yeah.
post that. So I
Yeah,
think that is
yeah,
how
yeah.
it has been started.
And so I am like, not very good with those dates and all. I know the concept and like the way it happened.
Yeah.
So mostly during the Renaissance, a lot of artists got a freedom of expression in a sense.
Hmm.
So most of these revolutions, all like throughout history, whenever art has progressed into a new format,
Yeah.
it is that the freedom of expression has gotten its new values, like new
So
virtues added.
it was all about the whole revival.
It is always the
of-
so art in any format.
Huh.
The whenever it changes, it is because of freedom of expression that changes. The amount of freedom of expression directs the kind of art that flows through it. It is just that.
Okay.
So cave paintings are completely free. You had no regulations to paint what you could paint whatever you want. So probably you paint your that someone is being hunted could be one of the first paintings that you trace back to. That someone is being surrounded by animals.
Yeah.
It is a gruesome thing to paint.
Huh.
It's not a beautiful thing. But when you go down to paintings painted for nobles and for kings, those were portraits and landscapes.
Yeah.
Which is very beautiful paintings, like very romanticized paintings. People looked so beautiful, just like a selfie. It's romanticized, so it is like much better to look at than the actual person. But Renaissance give those kind of freedom to the artist. Where if you see David,
Oh.
if you see Michelangelo's
yes,
paintings and like just look at David sculpture. So the intricacies and the kind of posture and the kind of story, the narrative that was added to a painting was beyond the requirements by the commission, like the commissioner of that painting, like whoever commissioned that noble who commissioned the painting.
Yeah.
It was beyond the requirements of that.
Dude, I just had like this mad eureka moment. So after the whole French Revolution, when all the monarchy and everything fell and the democracy was trying to upgrade, and the same thing that you mentioned, the whole creative freedom for the artist. कि पहले they were like binded by these kings and
Yeah, they were
monarchs.
they're kind of employees, no? You have to pay
Exactly.
something. Yeah.
And as soon as like that thing broke off, the whole control of monarchy, that is when they tried to express themselves
Mostly, yeah.
much
That is
more,
what I understand.
yeah, freely.
Without
Huh. I mean, I think we are just trying to
Understand it, yeah.
get some kind of conclusion or
Yeah,
try
yeah.
to understand.
Yeah.
Not that we know something like very specifically or exactly. We are just trying to like extract
Conjecture,
something. Yeah. So I think now it makes much more sense ki it was like something of a revival. The
Yeah,
feeling
it's a
of
renaissance, yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
The feeling of the freedom for an artist to express it completely.
it's called renaissance.
Exactly. And I feel that whole concept is closely associated to how democracy is working.
Yeah, completely.
Because
So,
right now,
I think we are at a tipping point right now.
yeah,
So we are approaching a tipping point in the whole democratic structure that we have, and where artists or any kind of creators or any kind of people who have their own thoughts and expressions and who have an individual thought which is not in inclination to the people in power. Obviously, they are obviously in trouble. It's very evident.
There
You
are
have to, like,
yeah,
it will always
yeah,
be, but it should not be that in a democracy. And that is why we are reaching a tipping point. And during a point of revival, it is so the beauty about civilizations, in the sense like the beauty of this complete organism called nature is that it is a systemic thing. So as soon as it goes to a tipping point,
yeah,
it will go
breaks
again
off.
back into some kind of
Yeah,
renaissance.
yeah,
There is
yeah.
no holding back. Like a several amount of people could try and stop things from happening in a certain way, but it is bound to happen. It's like a wave.
It is like the
It will go
nature,
back. Yeah, so you cannot stop
law
it.
of nature.
So
yeah.
today people are facing that rebellion, facing that hindrance and being obstructed to showcase their thoughts. But there will be a rebellion and there will be people coming out of this. And
I mean,
it is
I'm pretty
bound
sure
to happen. No one can stop it.
Yeah.
You cannot avoid that.
But यार ये point actually मैंने इसके पहले नहीं सोचा था कि because that is when you said कि the whole creative freedom, the things about portrait you mentioned,
Yeah.
कि that is when I could actually link कि like I mean I'm pretty sure कि like बहुत common sense है but
But that's okay. Yeah.
yeah.
Common sense is
My input. Sadhana.
How बोल
Yeah.
directors.
So, in what sense Renaissance paintings have more freedom in it. And if anything, they were regulated like the king or
Yeah, but still, so I'm just also.
What is
Please go back to what I said.
what is Renaissance?
It is-
When did it start? मला काहीच आठवत नाही.
हाँ,
So
sorry,
that's
sorry.
the time of Da Vinci.
Da Vinci. Imagine Da Vinci.
1600s.
1400s.
1400.
1400s and 1500s.
So just go back to what I said. It is the amount of freedom of expression that changes, not
But like how-
entirely.
not like
because
fully.
Because imagine Galileo, he was skilled for having a thought. Yeah, Da Vinci, like he was appreciated for having thoughts which are completely
New.
different. So
Yeah.
I think some of his thoughts were probably in English. I have not completely. I have known that, like I have read and understood Da Vinci
A
to
good question on this.
very good extent. But yeah, but just going back to Renaissance, for any kind of freedom of expression, it is the amount of. It is like imagine a door not being completely open. So it's a spectrum of freedom of expression
Yeah,
that you have.
yeah,
Right now,
yeah.
globally, if you look at it, globally you have a very huge range of. As an artist, you have a very wide open range of freedom of expression. At the same time, it is being criticized by the entire globe at once. So how? So it's a systemic. Imagine there is a system of things that is going around the context, and the context where Renaissance happened is where you had this slight bubble of. There was a little. Imagine like a pressure cooker releasing some steam outside, and when you in that particular steam you like get a lot of things done, and that's how these people got the impetus to do a lot of new and lot of gestures which are completely not allowed before that, and that's how Renaissance works very nicely.
So I have a question on this. Ki why art is always based on a certain notion?
Art is a conjecture of the context it relies in. Art is nothing without context. It cannot be.
I think
without
art is
context.
something if
So-
you're trying to portray
I
something
think it will
new.
be hollow.
I'll tell you.
No,
I
it
don't
cannot be
know.
generated.
Chinmay.
So anything you do,
Huh.
it can. We had talk. I had a sort of with Sarang about this a few days ago. That anything you do cannot be devoid of influence. So influence
exactly.
is mandatory.
Exactly.
It is bound to happen.
Yeah.
Even if you try to like have an original thought, there has to be some influence to it.
That's
and
why we have got
influence is the context that you
influencers.
have.
We have an influencer with us.
So context is what generates art. So if there is no context, if there are no notions, there is no art.
अबे खूप सिंपल आहे. कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज व्हेरी सिंपल. जेव्हा आपण अजंठा एलोरा इट इज सो कॉन्टेक्चुअल अजंठा एलोरा कि मैं केव के बाहर जाके डुक्कर मार रहा हूँ, मैं डुक्कर का पेंटिंग बना रहा हूँ, मैं केव जाके हरिण मार रहा हूँ, हरिण का पेंटिंग बना रहा हूँ. इट वॉज दॅट व्हॉट इज कॉन्टेक्स्ट. तेच ना कॉन्टेक्स्ट तेव्हा होतच काय, तेव्हा डेमोक्रेसी होती, तेव्हा पार्लमेंट होतं, तेव्हा
It is more
पॉलिटिशियन नव्हते.
Elora's case and Ajanta and Ellora is more about scriptures and spirituality.
Yeah, but
and-
it is derived from context only, na?
Yeah, so the stories that like why is it all mythological stories?
So
Because
where
it's
do you
not
derive it
I'll
from?
tell you, Renaissance.
Fantasy, like so, it is. Imagine it's like a business idea, no? Where do you derive a business idea from? From the context that so the demand generates the like the need that you have to suffice the demand, no? That's how like so wherever you feel a void, context for the art is generated. It is like
Oh, yeah.
it is a conjecture ki
Got
through
it,
logic
got
you
it,
start
got it.
understanding and there is some part of intuition to it. So logically you start understanding that this is the upcoming. So a lot of people follow trends nowadays through social media, and that's how a lot of context is built up. But you have to also be relatable to the cause. So like I can tell you, it is impossible to not be contextual. So there is some kind of context, but the more and more context you have into your art, the more relatable it becomes and more appreciable it becomes for the audiences. It becomes acceptable to the audiences. So if the Renaissance paintings, if the Da Vinci painted an alien onto the portrait rather than Mona Lisa herself, now he painted an alien inside it. But if he had painted the alien in front of it, like people would have like gone bonkers over it. कि ये तो मतलब what is this? You have to burn this love. What is this? It does not exist. You know, there could have been like
Repercussions.
हाँ नहीं it could have been
Renaissance or revolution, na? Or revolution.
Renaissance. What
It
is-
was-
how do you define Renaissance?
So Renaissance was a period after the whole revolution.
No,
where,
no, I'm
like,
saying what is the meaning of the word Renaissance?
it means revival.
Jimmy.
JB जीवी कुत्र्याचं नाव आहे बे.
का बरं जिमी कुत्रा नेम नो जिमी फॅलनचं नाव आहे ना जिमी फॅलन
नाही तो वेगळा आहे. JB म्हणजे
मला माहिती आहे कोण आहे जो रोगनचा मित्र.
जोचा.
Renaissance, the revival of European art and literature under the influence of classical models in the 14th and 16th century.
आता मला गरमी होती.
Revival of European art, basically.
I know ते सोडून-
Revival is-
Renaissance, few artists had an original thought.
Yeah,
And that is what we call Renaissance.
yeah. Original thought, but the whole point is they were allowed to have that thought, and they were allowed
Yeah.
to cultivate that thought, and there was certain degree of freedom that they were given, not some
Revival,
complete freedom, but there was certain degree of freedom that they were given, and they were not killed for having
But
expressions.
in what terms?
Just look at David, no? Just look at David. Just look at Mona Lisa. Just look at Mona Lisa.
See,
Just
like
or just look
David-
at yeah.
David is derived from an actual story.
Yeah, but the expression is so flamboyant. It is not a normal expression of David's story. So the amount of detail that has gone into that portrait, the skill that Michelangelo put into it
That
is
is
beyond and
extraordinary. Yeah,
above what they were expected to do.
Quite extraordinary.
So that is where art. So I'm not saying it's so imagine yourself in their shoes. So
But no,
looking
yeah,
back
I
on things are very
Hey,
easy. But
But
Malay-
kind of thing they could have. So like David, what if David would have made in 1100s? So what is the thing that would have triggered?
Exactly. मी विचारणार होतो की
त्याच्या-
जर त्याने आधी बनवलं असतं तर त्याला
But
मारलं
it
असतं
is a very
लोकांनी.
age-old story.
No,
on
no,
the
it
fable
is
of
not about
Samson.
being killed for being making David. That is not the point of the story.
Yeah, but
The point of story is to start changing the narrative very. So the narrative story
Ah.
changes very subtly.
Narrative.
So the way things happen. does
Revival
not-
है ना,
No,
revival,
you have to
बीच में
understand.
revival.
Dude,
है.
it's
You are
it's
looking
not
at
about
history
like
as a
full
movie.
180 degree of like
Exactly.
mad
You are
change. It's like
looking
at
one
history.
degree of the whole.
It
change.
does not work like that.
Like
It cannot work like
it
that.
may not be right. It could be evolution of art or revolution of art.
Yeah, it is
We-
revival.
I'll
no,
I'll
it's
tell you
very
why.
slow. It's a very
I'll tell
slow
you how
Yeah,
I relate to
yeah,
it.
yeah.
I'll tell you how I relate to it. एकदम असं ब्रेन फाट झालं की रिवायवल माहित नाही पण रेव्होल्युशन ती
I'll
एव्होल्युशन
tell you. I'll break down David for you. I'll tell you exactly how.
नाही पण
how it
घेऊन
is.
की what I can relate to is let's say I listen to hip hop. Okay, so take an example of hip hop की hip hop started, let's say hip hop started, I don't know, maybe I may be wrong, late 60s or 70s. It literally started with, let's say, predominantly like a DJ, like a producer. I forgot the name. जो was the first guy who was the quintessentially the first rapper or hip hop artist जो DJ पे कर रहा था. So it started not more than 45-50 years ago. Okay. So if we connect dots, Da
It's one of
Vinci,
the
नहीं तो Da Vinci
recent-
ने तब रिवाइवल किया, तब रेनेसां के टाइम पे no maybe I भी नहीं पता. He may have designed a DJ. So नहीं उसने वो मोनालिसा बनाया, तब जाके अभी तक अपनी सोसाइटी और आपलं हे पूर्ण ह्यूमन रेस has evolved so much as an artist.
Yeah, the best way to put it is the narrative बदलला.
Exactly. So that
I'll tell you very specifically.
in
Yeah.
black
The
history,
kind of stories that
I'll tell you in black history in America especially, there are some pivotal points which I can relate to because I've read about them. First is the hip hop scene. Because predominantly if you see there are a lot of black artists in hip hop in America or in the Western this thing. So these guys started with like a DJ and somebody is like rapping. Rapping is just poetry basically.
Yeah.
Rapping is poetry, na? It's little different from poetry
Exactly.
because the cadence is different, but it is basically poetry only. कि तू घर असं rhyme करतो basically. So that is something that was like the revival of music industry in whole. तब तक rap नहीं कर रहा था कोई. Nobody was rapping till let's say 60-70 whenever that started. तब तक
Completely
लोग
format and
तब
genre
लोग
of music.
डिच्चिक
So I'll tell you.
that you have the Pink Floyd and the Led Zeppelins and the Beatles till then. But this was like a completely revolutionary thing, which right now has become one of the fucking biggest industries in the world, hip hop industry. Why is Drake so famous? He's an hip hop artist. He's not a guitar player. है ना? That is something that is like a renaissance only.
Yeah.
Renaissance
So Renaissance, I was telling you, no?
Dude,
it
one
keep
thing
happening.
exactly one
New
one
things
Modern
thing
में ढुकते हैं.
yeah. So एक चीज ऐसा है कि if you find it from a very longer duration, like let's say कि we are right now talking about like 2 years 300 years ago. So today if I calculate the whole progress over all these years, so I might find it as like maybe full 180 degree shift हो गया होगा.
As
right?
in the styles of doing
The styles, the narratives, the
yeah,
whole freedom of expression.
Almost every 50 to 40 years it has come
Yeah,
to
yeah.
keep changing.
But
there will be so many changes.
so how I see is कि let's say कि we dive deep into like very exact moment of the whole revival,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So तब का so right now we can say कि because we have seen the whole journey of the art how it has revolved. So if I say कि I'm in that very exact moment,
Okay.
for me that 1% of change that right now we can see, उस time पे it can be literally 180 degree because the whole shift
Yeah.
was such major.
Yeah.
Right? Similarly, the way he mentioned कि the hip hop art when it originated कि उसके पहले maybe it was like just a dead scene and there wasn't anything I mean anything similar to that the hip hop scene.
There was rock
yeah.
and blues and everything.
Yeah, and as soon as it originated, so वही है कि like the tiny little frictions that have been created or the tiny little momentum or frequency, so for that duration it was a major change.
Yeah.
It was a major move, right? And after a period of time, it was just an accumulated efforts, pura technically. And then now that we see it, so we see it as a major shift or a major like change.
So what you witness now, so exactly, it's like, so when you're looking back at history, we look at the snippets of history that are completely important to us. What we forget is history happened in between the lines that we read history.
Exactly.
So a lot happened between that. A lot happens in the global scene of all the things like from catastrophes, from like pandemics to climate changes to everything happened during those times also. And through that is what we are looking at. Like so, like we are looking at Da Vinci. We should look at everything that happened around him to understand what he went through to derive at situation.
Exactly, because
So-
I'm pretty sure कि he might have like took the various context from the surroundings that he had.
I'm telling you, so Da Vinci was a revolutionary person in himself. He was a genius. But imagine artists like him, who were not that genius probably, but who were artists of the same time, still got to witness and got to express because of the community that they were in and because of the rebellion and the revival they were in. That is what a community of artists does to each other, or a community of any like-minded people do to each other. So that is the entire profession got. So I would like to like go back to how David is important. Why is David so important, or how Mona Lisa is, because Mona Lisa was still in the later stages of Da Vinci's around his death that become important. But the David is extremely important because so there are a lot of stories in the Bible. I think David is a story from the Bible, right?
I'm not sure.
I guess.
I think it is a story from the Bible. I don't remember.
It's a fable.
It's a fable. Imagine it's a fable. So imagine like if I tell you to, so I have a character from a story. Imagine like I tell you that make a statue of this person because it's very important, whatever. And just make a statue out of him. Imagine the statue of Vivekananda, for that matter. It's not a fable, but Vivekananda is a very revered individual, and make a statue out of him. What posture do you choose to depict that? What kind of person was he? And that is how David is important. Imagine. Please go through the story and look at the gesture and the position and the movement in which he's standing. So it is shown in a way that he's holding that knife behind his right hand, and he has that knife in his hand, and he's about to he has a dagger in his hand. He's about to kill the monster or the giant or the whoever orchestrated is in front of him. And look at the details in his muscles and the look in his eye. It is not looking back at it, it feels like a modern art piece. But at that particular moment in time, the kind of gesture and the kind of posture he had was so unique that the kind of expression that statue was showing was never seen before. It is like looking at a selfie for the first time, that the world is looking at a selfie for the first time. Looking at an iPhone for the first time. It is that revolutionary. Because no one had thought of showing a human's posture, making a marble statue out of something which is such a delicate movement. It's a very stationary, it's a very articulate movement which is very like, it might have lasted for a second or two before killing that guy. Before he killed that guy, and that movement has been etched into a marble to like utter detail, like to minutest details. So that is a revolution. So where the freedom of expression has that kind of ability and the time to witness itself, and the artist has the potential and the freedom to reach them. That is how the revival of art happened, and that is why it happened, because they had those kind of freedoms. Otherwise, it would not have reached there. So all of these people fed each other. So Michelangelo, at the same time Da Vinci, they like created this entire.
So it
piece
was
of
the whole
building.
ripple effect that
It is
was
always a ripple effect.
created,
It
and
will
I
always
feel
be a
ki
ripple effect.
we'll be hoping for
Bolo.
same for the community as well, and that is why we would
Yeah,
want to
yeah,
have
I think
more
we
and
should.
more.
That will be a very good thing.
Yeah,
that could happen.
yeah.
If you become the Florence of India, like yeah, it takes me impossible, but yeah.
Yeah. So right from, if we have to take it ahead, we discussed very heavy concept, Renaissance, the whole revival of.
Yeah.
So right from revival, Renaissance to NFT.
Huh.
I mean,
So
I'm pretty
NFT,
sure it's
I would-
like
so I would say-
major change.
So NFT is a 180-degree shift in the format of looking at art. It is not a revolution
Okay.
in art. It should
Okay.
not. So the format itself has changed. It is like, so imagine when acrylic came, acrylic colors. So if you know, there are
Yeah.
2 or 3 formats of color. So you use oil paints and you use acrylics. Oil paints are basically mud. It is glue.
Yeah.
It is like mud or glue, and it is basically it is glue which has color.
Yeah.
It is oil paints are like basically oil and mud and color, and acrylic paint is glue and color.
Okay.
So oil paints for the longest time have been the most important tool for a painter to create art, and because it takes a lot of time to dry and you get so much experimentation, the possibility of detail is extreme. So when acrylic colors came into picture, which we use regularly in our work, acrylic colors completely changed the game because the drying time of that paint is down to 1 hour, which was before like a stroke could take a week to dry. Here a stroke could take an hour to dry.
Yeah.
So the nature of work for a lot of artists completely changed because it is imagine and then imagine you have Photoshop as an artist. Photoshop has immense amount of tools inside it. So you could make an oil painting and an acrylic painting and edit things out in a jiffy, like in a moment or two. You could make huge changes into your work, into your photographs and everything in a like just through virtual tools, like through tools in the software.
Yeah.
Then imagine now you're using Procreate on your iPads. You literally have a million combinations in the like there are fingertips and in your electronic pencil, and you could do anything. So the shift has been drastic, and so NFTs is like the way of selling art has changed.
So it is just the medium has
The medium
changed,
has been
but
there
the
for
thought
like-
process and the whole ideology.
But the medium has been there for like 10-20 years now. Digital art has
Okay.
been there for a lot of time now.
Yeah.
But the medium of selling digital art is what has changed. So what has changed is that NFTs secure your digital art, which was not possible up till the moment where you could just copy your art and like it could not be legalized. It could not become a token of which is tangible.
If we have to like break it down
So it is
NFT
not
to
that-
like ekdam bare minimum layman language, so how would you like?
Google.
Like ritual, like I think breaking down is quite easy and difficult at the same time. So it is exactly like buying a physical piece of art. But imagine that you are inside a virtual space and you are buying a virtual piece of art.
In a blockchain, basically.
So that is a block. So just forget the word block. It's a very complicated term. So to understand blockchain, it's a completely different
In a virtual worldwide marketplace, basically.
No. It is not virtual worldwide marketplace. NFT बद्दल बोलता ना पण.
NFT blockchain is not a marketplace.
No, I'm talking about NFTs in general.
No, NFT is
No,
not a marketplace.
it is not a marketplace.
Deal NFT के साथ करते
हाँ,
हैं.
in a virtual
virtual marketplace.
So what you get with NFTs is basically you get a physical, so you get a virtual non-fungible token. That is it's a non-fungible token. Non-fungible in the sense आप उसको duplicate नहीं कर सकते. So before the Renaissance, there were a set of expressions and emotions which were understood to be ideal gestures of art.
I'll explain it. It's like, for example, if you take Karan Johar in filmmaking, right?
Best.
So, so it was खूप घिसे-पिटे up until Renaissance.
Yeah,
All the art.
it is like it's a trend, no?
Yeah, it's a trend.
You have to fit into your trend, and otherwise you don't
Renaissance
succeed.
artists basically, they encourage each other to actually have an original thought
And have an opinion about your
and tell their own story about
Yeah,
it.
exactly. Through the narrative.
Like for example, David's are the I don't know what pause like कुठला adjective दिलं पाहिजे त्याच्या pose ला, but that kind of whatever pose that depicts, whatever feel that it gives you, it was the spirit of Michelangelo. Like it was the You know,
sheer intellect of Michelangelo is genius.
intellect peksha, like that.
But
that
yeah, it's-
pose meant something to Michelangelo.
And the whole
It has to be
fact
candid.
that it was derived from a literary piece, from a fable. Imagine. So we'll just talk about the Last Supper.
Let him orgasm
There is nothing beyond the Last Supper. Last Supper is like the
हे आपण
pinnacle of
NFT बद्दल
expression.
बोललोच नाही.
So last supper is exactly
NFT will
what.
be a separate podcast, guys.
NFT वरती आपण पुढे पॉडकास्ट होत काहीच नाही.
I have a very
So much
nice.
to talk
Yeah,
about.
yeah,
I have a nice NFT joke, पण तो कट करायला पाहिजे आपण.
काय?
Nice. No, but Karan Johar is not a very good example for Renaissance.
No.
No,
The entire episode.
Actually,
Anurag.
Not
before Renaissance used to happen.
अनुराग कश्यप.
म्हणजे नाही डूड अनुराग कश्यप आपल्याला वाटतं ते फिल्म मेकर सत्यजित रे वॉज कप्ता सत्यजित रे ही वॉज बेटर दॅन अनुराग कश्यप.
No, so I can literally like tell you how
Renaissance
it
would be
went
Harishchandra's
from
factory.
Renaissance to how modern art has come into picture.
Yeah.
There
That is
are so
Renaissance.
many things that
No,
is
Harishchandra's factory is literally the pioneer of making films.
Who is the
Harishchandra
Renaissance? Film making with the Renaissance?
Renaissance would be, I would say, is Chaitanya Ramaya. Very close to, comes close to.
Again,
something like that.
तमिळ खूप कोणी केलाय ब्रो.
I don't think so. There have been people who do.
No, in India.
But
In India.
Satyajit Ray's work.
In
It
India.
revolutionary होता.
How? But
अबे Renaissance actually Harishchandra's factory is the core of it.
no, but it is like before that nothing existed in terms of motion.
But that is always true. But so the first guy who does it is.
हाँ, जैसा हरिश्चंद्र
Start of
factory.
revolution, no?
हरिश्चंद्र
This is
factory is a very good
revolution
example.
होता.
Like Renaissance.
But it is like
industry.
it is more of a discovery.
अरे नहीं,
See,
we are just trying to have a correlative example.
Alright, but even in that, but
Renaissance, nahi, so nahi, please listen. Renaissance is where so something is revived. If it
Yeah.
did not exist
Yeah.
before, it does
हाँ,
not make
मग
sense.
हरिश्चंद्र factory नाही आहे.
Yeah.
Renaissance
Yeah.
actually motion picture तिकडे सुरू
हाँ, सुरू झालं. Renaissance could be, but Satyajit Ray could be like
Hey.
a pivotal point in.
Renaissance could be James Cameron doing Avatar.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, or Steven Spielberg doing dinosaur वाला.
Yeah, that is very much.
हाँ,
Yeah.
Jurassic
Jurassic
Park.
Park.
But Star Wars is
1993
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Star Wars is
That was
revolutionary.
Sharks was also I guess Spielberg. No?
एक
Sharks.
मिनट, एक
Spielberg.
मिनट. Marvel. The industry.
नाही bro, नाही.
No, dude, it is a piece of. Looking back at the movie industry, it is going to be a piece of.
I understand, but
dude, Star Wars ने सुरू केलं होतं त्यांनी 20 वर्ष कंटिन्यू केलं. It is not a joke to.
अरे पण
sustain industry.
स्पीलबर्ग 1993 मध्ये डायनासोर बनवला होता यार.
But that is a revival. This was revival.
We should get
आहे
it.
त्याचं.
Renaissance तिकडे सुरू झालं ना.
आपण जर so the first Iron Man च्या आधी for the longest time there was no successful venture in the there have been several attempts to make movies from these comics but there have never been a successful attempt.
तू
as
सरकतोय
successful
पॉइंट
as-
तसं नाहीये.
No, but revival is it is about revival, no?
What is revival?
नाही माझ्याकडे
Okay,
point.
revival is like
I
something
know,
already
like-
exists,
Pull it back. It is like brought
and
back.
while it is like
Renaissance,
dying.
Renaissance.
Yeah,
revival is
yeah. Renaissance
तर
is the
तेच
whole
म्हणतोय मी.
revival
I'm
of.
saying-
अबे तर
but
विचार
I'm telling you,
नाही why
the
Bible
Renaissance
is
of the actual
See,
Renaissance, we are like dialing it the meaning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It is like adding sugar to an espresso.
एक्सप्रेसो नाही.
Flat
Espresso.
sweet, flat white.
एक्सप्रेसो नाही म्हणत.
Flat white मध्ये
I will
अनिकेत
put-
10
sorry,
चम्मच
sorry.
Sweet coffee is
Sorry Mithlesh.
It is not espresso. It is espresso.
espresso.
And Jurassic Park can be
Because
something
no,
that comes
there is one
close to-
sentence. If there was Marvel, because there was one guy who made Jurassic Park. Because Marvel, what is Marvel based on? Marvel, the filmography is predominantly based, or the filmmaking is predominantly based on technology.
Yeah, VFX.
And the
Star
fucking
Wars-
guy who I understand, but the guy who started doing technology, in my opinion, was Spielberg with
No.
Dinosaur or maybe Star Wars.
Star Wars-
Star Wars एवढं लेट नाही. हो बरोबर आहे.
Star Wars होता.
But VFX,
VFX
हाँ.
existed since green screen existed. The technology से
Oh.
VFX
It's a
is
very
the
long, very
And
old.
then Spielberg's Jurassic Park is much more
Yeah.
something that comes close to Renaissance. Currently, they literally took year and a half to make a fucking dinosaur.
Exactly.
Hair by hair. So that is Renaissance. Like, पूर्ण
That
storytelling
is
बदलली
that's
होती
what
ना.
what the led like what are the directors now to make like an Iron Man suit maybe.
Maybe.
Okay.
Achha, we were talking
Yeah.
about the Last Supper.
The Last Supper. Oh my god.
यार याच्यावर
Last
काय
Supper,
बोलू यार.
I think,
मला काय माहिती नाही याच्याबद्दल.
Malay actually.
मला पण तितकं माहिती नाही, but like So that is what you can like explain
So
everything.
ते आपण नाही टाकू वाटलं तर सांगू मला.
Go ahead.
नाही,
Go ahead.
go ahead.
So in the Renaissance thing, Last Supper makes a very important painting because the Last Supper basically is a painting you could search out and JB could show us like you can pull it up. Yeah.
Fuck. Just
Okay.
carry this on for a month and we'll have a screen.
Yeah, so the Last Supper has it's a pivotal point on the history of fine art because I feel because if you look at the painting, there are around 12 to 13 characters inside the painting, all of which are stationed in a position in a particular way as far as the story goes. So there's a story in Bible where like Jesus is having his Last Supper along with the like acquaintance and the friends and the family. I don't completely know the story. I don't belong to the kind of teachings they have, but the sheer genius of Leonardo da Vinci to put these people into those seats. Imagine you are an artist and you are told to paint this painting where 13 people or 12 people are having a dinner. What would you do? How would you paint that? You would probably, I don't know how you would compose that painting. If you look at that painting, it's like a panoramic view where the table is unfolded into a linear format, and you see all of those people sitting in a straight line, which is not how you actually have a supper. I think the supper didn't even happen that way, but they are seated in a linear manner, and all of those individual people are having some particular conversation or an emotion towards Jesus Christ, and everything in this painting is born out of the sheer intellect of Leonardo da Vinci and the convincing storytelling power that he had. So what he did is for each character, he extracted from that story a narrative, and he studied and put every character in a particular position, a particular gesture, a particular emotion that they wanted to portray, which now we try to decipher. Like what was he aiming to like tell us? So when you are intrigued by the expression and when you're intrigued to decipher the expression of that artist rather than the narrative of that art piece, that is where it becomes like an individual's expression, individual's thoughts rather than a commissioned work. If I tell you to make a like Mona Lisa was a portrait, commissioned portrait. Okay, imagine it was never delivered because of whatever concerns.
Yeah.
Even if it had been delivered, to paint someone's picture, you could have just painted someone laughing and like, that's a portrait, got done. But he painted a very specific, a very momentary gesture that lady had, like this complex emotion which he has painted was a very small gesture in a timeline, probably a second or two ka gesture, in which he captured and he painted that for a long time.
But how did you paint it for a long time? She was not there for 12 years.
No, it was
So that is when
you're talking about Leonardo da Vinci.
Yeah.
He had been painting all his life. He could paint fucking anything.
Just the worst influencer marketing.
Skill,
Huh?
the level of skill.
Imagine तू ब्रँड वर्क दिलं कोणा इन्फ्लुएन्सर म्हणतो भैया 10 साल लगेंगे सपोर्ट काय हां 14 16 साल लगेंगे
16 years to paint and he never gave that painting.
oh my
So I
God.
was like, he held on to that painting for 16 years. I don't know whether it took 16 years to complete, but he held on to that
or
painting for
was it
16 years.
procrastination?
No, I don't think so. Not at all. I don't think so. It's not so
भाई म्हणजे
easy.
किती
We know that there is one person in history who never procrastinated.
And that is Da
That is
Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci.
I think he's the only person in the entire history of art. I think the only equal to him is Vivekananda. The only like
नाही,
literally,
एक मिनिट, माझा point आहे की-
wise, I think the
Dude,
only equal to his life is
इमॅजिन
Vivekananda.
डविंचीज म्हणजे इमॅजिन
Never like
इफ
okay,
डविंची किती होतं 69 च्या होतं ना कधी होती डविंची
14 years or 15 years.
अच्छा इव्हन बिफोर शिवाजी महाराज म्हणजे खूप आधीचे
Yeah, like
तर-
100 years.
विचार कर प्रो तो तेव्हा आपल्यासारखे पेंटिंग बनत असेल आपल्यासारखे म्हणजे आपण पण पेंटिंगच करतो पण तो तुझा खूप मोठा वेगळा
आपल्यासारखी
होता.
painting नाही म्हणत.
आपल्यासारखी नाही म्हणजे
आम्ही त्यासारखी painting बनवत नाही.
म्हणजे
Leonardo da Vinci.
अबे मी म्हणतो आपल्याकडे पण हात याच्याकडे हात होते तो तोंडाने थोडी पेंट करायचा
मल्लवारी
करत असेल
आपण
मी
ठरवलं.
म्हणतोय की इट इज सो म्हणजे काय इट इज किती खतरनाक फॅसिनेटिंग आणि शब्दांमध्ये मला काय आहे की त्या एका माणसाच्या कामामुळे त्याने जे काही एकट्याने केलं की एलियसोबत केलं कोणासोबत केलं असेल खालच्या वरच्या सगळ्या लोकांसोबत केलं असेल त्या एका माणसाच्या कामामुळे पूर्ण जगातले एक्सपर्ट्स काम करतात त्याच्या कामावर अजूनही की bro, ये देख एलियन लिटरली इमॅजिन द ग्रेटनेस
So,
ऑफ
Mona
दॅट
Lisa
मॅन
is largely sold.
Mona Lisa.
The-
I'm talking about the scientific. नाही I'm talking about just not the artwork. Last Supper आहे, Mona Lisa is obviously, but बाकीचे जे डिस्कवरी ते ड्रॉइंग्स आणि सगळं ॲनाटॉमी ब्ला 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 त्या एका माणसाने काम केलं तर एका माणसाचं वॉट आय डोंट किती जगलो तो 90-80 किती जगलो 64 years he lived
No,
for.
he lived longer than that. No?
64
But I think it was still a way beyond what normal people lived there, average people lived that long.
तेवढेच ते काय
No, I think he lived. No, he lived long, very long.
तब तो काफी
No, I'm pretty sure he lived 64 years.
Huh.
I'm very sure of that.
Yeah, but what I heard is he lived a bit longer than average people did back then.
He 70
64
years.
is very like 1464 years is a very big lifespan.
I'm
मी
not
ते
sure
म्हणतोय की
Without
की I would
the
इट्स अ व्हेरी नाही म्हणतो खूप जबरदस्त एक्सपेरिमेंट आहे तुम्ही म्हणजे असं कधी झोपताना की आपण ड्रीम करतो की असं ड्रीम पण सोडा आपण ना माझं खूप होतं की इफ यू गो टू लाईक हिस्टॉरिकल प्लेस ना लेट्स से इफ यू गो टू इंडियन आपलं इंडिया गेट नाही काय आहे ते इंडिया गेट पकड किंवा काही एनी हिस्टॉरिकल प्लेस यू गो टू एनी फोर्ट समथिंग आपण इमॅजिन करतो की तेव्हा कसं जस्ट इमॅजिन युअर सेल्फ ड्युरिंग द टाइम Da Vinci was alive.
Da Vinci and Michelangelo were alive at the
हो
same time.
बट इमॅजिन युअर
We were going to Florence at that time.
No, I didn't want to.
नाही नाही
Because
I'm
the
just
time
saying
was
की
not good. Being a brown person not enough.
नाही नाही ते नाही म्हणते मी आय एम जस्ट सेइंग की जस्ट इमॅजिन हिम क्रिएटिंग लास्ट सपर आणि आफ्टर लाईक 49 म्हणजे की 700 वर्ष झाली आता त्याला 700 जे एक वर्ष 600-700 वर्ष लोक याच्याबद्दल अजूनही वेळ आणि अजूनही असं संपलंच नाही
yeah
इमॅजिन दॅट ग्रेटनेस ऑफ दॅट मॅन की डूड तो तेव्हा असं काहीतरी हा लास्ट सपर ह्यांची आता लोक पागल पूर्ण करी
No, but so the point is, if you do something which is fundamentally good and fundamentally honest as an expression,
ते सगळं
you
ठीक
will
आहे.
have a value. And that is why it has so much value.
आय अंडरस्टँड
Actually, it is a timeless piece.
मार्क रॉथकोच्या
अबे,
पेंटिंग
तुला-
मिलियन्स
I'm
विकतात
telling
पण
you,
मार्क रॉथकोच्या पेंटिंगला कोणी छान
कोणाला?
नाही करत ना मार्क रॉथकोच्या पेंटिंग मिलियनला विकतात सगळे लोक पण जसे वर्ल्ड वाईड एक्सपर्ट
No, people
हे नाही
do
करत.
that. No, the point is, the point is the context of the story he's telling. Mark Rothko, so there is a very big difference between, so when you try to tell a story, which is, forget Mona Lisa for a moment and just look at Last Supper. Just look at David. It has a very big context to it. So the story has a very big narrative in itself, and which is a very, very important, piece of literature, which is now converted into an art piece. So the art piece has like 10 times more, weightage to it when you look at it. So the value increases like tenfold. As against an individual expression, like a Mark Rothko's expression into a painting, which has a narrative which he decided is true. Or Picasso's narrative based on war is much more, probably for me, it's more valuable than his own individual expression about something.
yeah
Because the context and the narrative of that story is so crucial, and then what has been captured into that character is like, imagine like a photographer, right, or like a filmmaker capturing a story of making a biopic. Like you could make a biopic of everybody or anybody, you decide to. But if that
Yeah.
person has and the movie is that great, and the person has that kind of a gravitas and that kind of a has had that kind of a life, and the movie becomes iconic and it has a value which is beyond words, and you could watch it for
Yeah.
years to come.
Yeah.
Surely.
Because,
Sholay.
but again, Sholay is a cult movie, but I'm trying to tell you that if
The
the story
biopic.
itself has an importance in itself, the narrative becomes.
Schindler's List.
Yeah, Schindler's
Yes,
List.
yeah, Shawshank Redemption.
Schindler's
Or you could
Even after 1,000 years, Schindler's List is going to be relevant as well.
exactly.
आपला आजोबांचा स्कॉर्सेसी आजोबा रेजिंग बुल
Raging Bull.
लेमोला
Godfather.
बॉक्सर
Yeah.
लेमेला लामोला काय होतं इमोला आय डोंट नो
मोला
नाही इमोला इज द ट्रॅक ऑन इन F1 इमोला इज द F1 चा एक सर्किट आहे म्हणून मला इमोला वाटलं
so on
Yeah.
that note
Yeah, I'm wrapping this up.
we are wrapping it up
वी आर रॅपिंग दिस अप
so thank you so much for coming on Shit Got Real it did
अरे नाव
It did get real. It got heavy also.
शिट गॉट
Yeah, yeah.
जबरदस्त नाव आहे
खूप सुंदर नाव.
thanks
It just got real. Yeah.